Car's finally washed. Now we're actually gonna go to the car meet, so yeah, let's do that. Clean the inside as well. I want to know if, oh, they actually did clean in here. Okay. Did they clean this one? Yes, they did. I wanted to give a big thanks to Top Line Auto Spa. That's where I just got my car washed. But yeah, they blessed the car. So now let's head over to the car meet. Alright, so we just pulled up. I'm gonna probably get some food at the pizza joint, and then I'll probably show you guys some of the cars. So I actually didn't film any of the cars, but the next day I did go to another car event. The next clip you're about to see is just me sim racing. They had a racing simulator over there, and it was the first time I've ever done it. But yeah, let's get into it.
Thank you and happy racing.
Alright. Stay within the track limits. Don't crash. So yeah, right there he says don't crash, and I literally almost rear end inside. But right here I'm trying to look at their screens just to see who's in front of me. And then I notice there's Eastside, which is on my right. right here, I noticed that he's going a little too fast for this turn. And look at that. And he almost hits me right there. It's funny because we bet $5 on this race and they don't want to pay me. They don't want to pay me because they don't want to accept the fact that I smoked them. I kept messing up on this turn, and now looking back at it, I see what I was doing wrong. I was supposed to go wide and come in, but I kept coming in too early. But in the heat of the moment, I'm not noticing that. There I go again, making the same mistake.
driving. Your race session is now over. Please slide your seat all the way backward before exiting. Thank you, and I hope you had a blast driving our FIA certified D-Box haptic motion racing simulator from AK Sim Racing. And if you had fun and would like to find out how to book us for your next private event, please see one of our chief instructor for more information.
Me? What the
Have a wonderful day.
Why is that even a question?
Calling all race car drivers to the
Tercero todo el tiempo de que tú hablas, tú de tercero todo el tiempo.
No, yo lo pasé a aquel.
Y después volviste de tercero.
No.
Do not hang on
Yo, I was trying to lap one of y'all.
while entering
Me?
the simulator.
Yo te pasé.
Do not touch any
No,
buttons
fue-
or steering wheel.
¿Quién
Este
empezó?
nunca ganó, bro.
When seated,
Pues yo iba delante de él, yo lo vi en el más para atrás.
attention to the
Nah,
speed
yo
limit.
estaba de segundo al
Oye,
principio y
le pasan
pasé
los
a
dos.
uno. No one.
Now slide your seat forward to a proper driving position.
You're high as. Yo tengo el video.
Is located right below the front section.
How you know it was me?